Blockhead Garage back with another video. It's about the S10 again. This is, I think, episode 5. It was just, I forgot to film on how to install a spool, which isn't really that hard. It's just, here are the spider gears out of it. It's nothing too fancy. They're just replaces those so it doesn't do a one-wheel peel. I'm hoping, and I've heard that the 7.5-inch 10 bolts hold up okay. Like, I was talking to a guy that had an S10 pretty much identical to this with a 5.3 LS in it, and he said it was still on the stock rear end and it should have been around like 400 horse, and the 350 in this thing's probably making around, I'd hope, 300 to the wheels. But anyways, here's the spool and the air cleaner, which air cleaner is really nothing. Well, there's the air cleaner. Like I said, nothing special. And then here's the spool. It just replaces the spider gears, like I said. Nothing too exciting, but another update. Well, it's the next day. I got the diff buttoned up. I got the cover on, gear oil, all that, and I just took it for a test drive, which I was gonna film, but I didn't. Whatever. But my brother got a couple videos I'll post, and well, here's the diff cover and buttoned up, whatever. Okay, there's the diff all buttoned up, and that gear oil's from filling it up. I just took it for a test drive, which I'll put the clips in right now, or not right now, whatever. After, whatever. Part 5 on the S10, pretty much done. Garage is a mess because I've been working on it. Oh, also, I put a wheel cylinder on the driver's side rear, but that's just nothing. It should be on the road here. My deadline is I want to take it to a 4th of July party, but that's about it. I got to get tires and brakes, and it's done completely pretty much. But I'll put in a couple clips right now. Just want to say thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Subscribe, like, because there's going to be a lot more videos on this channel in the next month and a half. Because my derby car that I had an episode, probably, heck, 6 months ago now. I just got that all stripped, and after I get the S10 done, we're going to pull it out and start building that for Crawford County Derby this year. Well, anyways, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.